everything is fine. Then why the hell it's slipping so?
My way or the booty way?
Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pushkar Banerjee and you are watching Automania. Well, it's early morning, like at least for me it's early morning. It's 7:15 in the morning and I am off to a friend's wedding, but it's the rasam of Haldi which takes place for the bride. So I'm off there actually. I thought it will be too chilly out there in the morning, but it's cold, but not to that extent actually. So it's okay. But the market is very empty early in the morning. I slept very late at night, guys, and I woke up early around 6:30, so I'm still a bit sleepy. My exhaust note is just echoing in these roads, and in the winter morning, the sound seems to travel and it seems to feel much louder actually. So it's feeling too loud. I was not there in the city for a couple of days, more than a week I think, yes. So I didn't get a chance to ride my baby actually. So finally I think it's time I can push a bit and ride and have some fun with this baby early in the morning. Who will miss a chance like this to go for early morning ride? And years and years ago, we used to come early in the morning to play cricket or football, but अभी तो बड़े हो गए ना, so cannot do it. अभी तो चलो बाइकिंग कर लेते हैं अर्ली मॉर्निंग. The air pressure actually of a motorcycle yesterday, it seems to be okay, but still I feel the bike is dancing a bit. The tires are fine, but it's not from the rear, from the front. The rear is actually dancing. So I don't understand why is the feeling like this. Is it because I'm riding this bike for after a long time, maybe after some 10 days I'm riding it. Maybe for that I'm feeling this thing. I'm not too sure. Not be like this. তো টাইম লাগবে নাকি? আচ্ছা ওখানে কি বললো? ওখানে একবার ফোন করে নে। কোথায় যাচ্ছিস? Guys, tell me, the tire looks fine. No problem with the beads and all, everything is fine. The corners are perfect. It's all brand new here. Everything is fine. And why the hell it's slipping so much? I don't know, but the air pressure is fine. The tire is fine. Doesn't seem to be much problem. The front is doing good. I have to check. So finally, the lovebirds are here. Not lovebirds, the happily married couple. By the way, this year early they got married, and I was not a vlogger then, so I don't have any footages or anything. Anyways, pushing motorcycle, guys. Every time I push, I get that happiness from within. You know, it's been so long time I have this motorcycle, but I just can't get over it. I just cannot get over it, guys. It's so much fun. It's so much fun. And if you have ever ridden a GT 650 or an Interceptor, let me know what you feel about that motorcycle. And especially if you have ridden a motorcycle with good Sevok exhaust, the 650 twins with good Sevok exhaust, it's just, you know, fun. It's unbelievable. I love it actually. Like, I know many of you won't agree, but I feel it sounds much better than many of the high-end superbikes with this exhaust. Actually, I feel so. It feels premium. It feels even actually I love this sound more than the Triumph one wheels and also the other retro motorcycles. We have another motorcycle, Kawasaki 800, I guess, not the Z800, not that. Another one with a parallel twin engine. I think that's 800, W800. Yes, exactly, the W800. Actually, I don't like the exhaust note of that one. Although that motorcycle has really low sales in the market, just because of the pricing. The value for money prospect is not there at all in that motorcycle, and even in the looks, that doesn't look too great. I guess I don't like that motorcycle too much. I feel that's too much into retro and too costly. So looking towards that, so that motorcycle didn't do good in India. So it sounds way better than those motorcycles. So we are here. भाई पार्क किधर करना है, इधर ही कर देते हैं. Hello, bride.
हेलो
Sorry, मिस्टेक से गलती हो गया. তুলে নে.
আচ্ছা এবারে বুঝতে
বুঝতে পারলি?
আসছে এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটাতে খুব সুন্দর লাগছে।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যালো
সুমন ভুঁড়িটা বেশি হয়ে গেছে কিন্তু.
চলো চাপ নেই। আমার ভুঁড়ি
তোর
মাই ওয়ে और द भूरी वे।
বাবা না
गाइस यहाँ चल रही है फोटो शूट. ये लोग तो शादीशुदा ऑलरेडी है, इसका शादी हो रहा है, मैं रहा अकेला सिंगल लौंडा. On that note, I'll show them some cinematics. I hope you like the cinematics and whatever you're seeing, because after many years I just attended a friend's wedding, so thought of putting that into the blog. By the way, that's the look. And if you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania, guys. ভাইপো
আরে ওর মাথার উপরেই ক্লিয়ার করা আগে
Guys, on that note, it's time to wrap up this episode. I will see you in some other episode with some automotive or technical content. Till then, as I always say, wear your seatbelts when you're driving, or helmets when you're riding, and never drink and drive. This is Prashur Banerjee. You are watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da!